So hello and welcome back. In today's video we're going to have a look at the word serendipity and how it's actually pronounced. So this is just a repetitive lesson that you will use to learn how to pronounce serendipity properly. Now serendipity just means a good thing that comes your way without you actually looking for it. So you might find a $5 banknote on the ground. You're not looking for it, but you found it. That is serendipity. Or you find a new friend. You weren't looking for a new friend, but you found one. Serendipity. So here I actually have it cut up into its basic form. So you've got se, n, dip, e, t. So if you want to pronounce this, pronounce it se, n, dip, e, t. Se, n, dip, e, t. Se, n, dip, e, t. 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 Se, n, dip, e, t. So your ability to pronounce this will depend on your first language and how you pronounce each of these letters, because all languages pronounce their letters differently. And also it will affect by any other languages that you actually speak. So if you speak Spanish and then you learn French and German and probably Mandarin or Yoruba, those languages pronounce their letters differently, and that will affect these letters unless you try and just forget that pronunciation and pronounce it the way I have. Now mine is the Australian English, be different pronunciation than the American or British accents, in which there's more than one. Lots of videos on YouTube about that. So you pronounce serendipity basically like that. And I hope this helps you with how to pronounce this word, and just keep learning.